Welcome to the Sia classes. Lion, Lion, lion. Lion means cheese. Rhinoceros, Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros means gander. Leopard, Leopard. Leopard means tendua. Fox, Fox. Fox. Fox means lomri. Tiger, Tiger. Tiger. Tiger means cheetah. Langur, Langur. Langur. Langur means langur. Hyena, Hyena. Hyena. Hyena means lakadbagga. Bear, Bear. Bear. Bear means bhalu. Deer, Deer. Deer. Deer means hare. Giraffe, Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Wolf, Wolf. Wolf. Wolf means bhediya. Monkey, Monkey. Monkey. Monkey means bandar. Elephant, Elephant. Elephant. Elephant means hathi. Wildcat, Wildcat. Wildcat. Wildcat means jungli billi. Blue bull, BLUEBULL. Blue bull. Blue bull means nilgaye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.